Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to use a test card for magnetic sensor wheels on a third-generation wheel bearing. Before we fit the new wheel bearing, we have to make sure that it's working perfectly. New generation wheel bearings have magnetic sensor rings. To check whether these rings have been broken during storage or delivery, we use a test card for magnetic sensor wheels. They are very simple to use. You just pull this tab and hold this section over the wheel bearing, and that allows you to check the sensor ring. If you can see a break there, the wheel bearing is damaged. This is what a damaged sensor ring looks like. This wheel bearing is all fine and can be fitted, okay? See you again soon in the workshop.